Hi, I'm Sam, and today we're going to give a kitten a bath. For cats and kittens, they like hot water, so that water is hot. Not burning, doesn't hurt, my hand is in it, and it's not too hot, but it's hot. Here she is, the star of the show. This is Flea. And I had been combing her with this comb down here at the base of the tail. When I just comb through and lift up, there's goddamn fleas on that comb. So, no, we're not. We're going to be nice and happy. It's okay. It's okay. No, no, no. Good girl. Good girl. Shh. 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 I have a cloth for her here. And the cloth is going on down. Shh. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. See, it's nice and warm. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. I know. I know. I know. Shh. Good girl. Good girl. So I'm just holding her, but I'm not forcing her. You know, I'm just letting her know it's okay, honey. It's so. Shh. Good girl. Good girl. I know. I know. I know. I know. I'm going to do a bit of shampoo. We're not going to waste any time. We're going to just get it done. We're going to just get you washed. Yes, we are. We're going to just get you washed. Yes, we are. Shh. I know. Shh. Calm. We're just... Fee, calm. Okay. I know. Just calm. No, don't pull the towel in. No. I know. Hang on. I have to rinse you clean, honey. Calm down. I have to rinse you clean. Yes, I do. I have to rinse all of this dirt off you. You're just dirt. That's what happens when you're a stray on the streets, when you're a good girl. You're a good girl. There's a good girl. There's a good kitty now. There's a good kitty. And we just make sure we get all of the suds out because we don't want to cause an allergic reaction. Yes, we don't. And now we lift you right out. Oh, good girl. Good girl, V. Good girl. There's the best girl. There's the best girl now. And we just give you a wipe down. Oh, the wipe down. We make sure all the suds are gone. All the suds are gone. Our little heart is racing. Our little heart is racing. Now there's a nice, clean bathed kitten. Oh, you're so clean and bathed. Yeah, and now we can do in around the face just with the wet towel. Yeah, and we do all over the head and the ears. And oh, you're a good girl. You're so good. Yes, you are. You're my girl. Yes, you are my girl. Yes, you are. Oh, you're so snuggle, kitty. Oh, you're so snuggle, kitty. And we wipe your belly and wipe your under now. And then we get another towel. And this time, this one will swaddle you like a baby and get you nice and lovely. Now, there we have a nice clean kitten. You need to not mind getting soaked and also don't mind getting scratched. Oh, getting the heck scratched out of you. But I'm going to try and get as much dry as I can with the towel. Oh, good girl. Good girl. And I think the reason they don't really like being wet is they don't like being cold. So we're going to try and keep her as warm as we can by the fire. Good girl, good girl, good girl. But also nice and clean. Oh, nice, clean kitty. Good girl, good girl. Shh. You're still trying to run away, aren't you? You're still trying to run away, honey. It's okay. I have you. I'm minding you. I am. I'm taking care of you. Yes, I am. This is all part of your care, honey. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, honey. Oh, sweetheart. We have to get you dry. Yes, we do. So a lot of the heavy wet is gone. Oh no, she's getting away. She's getting away. Okay, well, she got away. So now is the time to remove the bedding from the bed. Burn it. Right now I gotta scrub all that down, spray it with like a fucking spray, fly spray stuff, and then hoover the whole thing. Every square inch of it needs to be hoovered. So if there is any eggs on it, they need to be hoovered up. And this is going to be like a repeat process for the next while until we're completely clear of fleas. I'm going to have to just keep cleaning everything and keep on top of it over and over again. And it's so much fun, you really don't want fleas. And now that Fee is drying herself by the fire on the towel, I'm going in where I found the fleas, and there's nothing on that at all. That's amazing, V. You're such a good... No, don't burn yourself. No, don't burn yourself. That's going to be very hot. I know. You're cold. I know. Still nothing. A little bit of hair there. Good girl. And if I do pull anything out, I have my tissue and I squish it with my fingers and I make sure I take the flea's head off, because I want every part of the flea to be dead. The flea has their own life cycle, don't they, V? They do. They lay eggs. And those eggs can stay dormant for ages. All clear. I'm still going to keep using this comb and keep checking her. Every day and every other day. You're the best girl. Oh, you're the best girl. You are the best girl and you're so clean.